was fixing to say good morning, friends, but actually it's good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I have a small clip of how I prepared the potato salad for Easter dinner on Easter Day, and it's just a small clip of how I made that potato salad. And also I have a small clip of items that I got from Dollar General that are still just $1. It's just a few items, but I'm here to save every dollar I can get. And I need to clean up my little mess here. I have been doing a little bit of arts and crafts. I am currently working on a pumpkin. Of course, this won't be done until later in the fall, but this is what I've been working on. I think I want to make this pink and silver. I know that it kind of looks like it's probably going to be purple, but that's just how the pink looks before it is glazed and fired, but it will come out pink. So I'm thinking I'm going to do it pink and silver or pink and black. I was going for white and black. Somehow I got on the white and black theme, but I think I'm going to do pink and silver. I think. We shall see. So today is Saturday and tomorrow is Easter Sunday. I hope everyone had a wonderful time celebrating with your family. I am making the potato salad for dinner tomorrow. Be sure to wash the potatoes and cook them in water until they are fork tender. Cut up half a medium-sized Vidalia onion. I did go ahead and dice up this whole onion, but I did only end up using half of it. And you want to make sure and dice your onion into small pieces. Now this next part, you can use mayonnaise or Miracle Whip. Today I am using Miracle Whip, but I have done this with both Miracle Whip and mayonnaise. For this recipe, I'm going to use about 1.5 cups of Miracle Whip. And to that, 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. And 1/3 cup of pickled juice. Combine all of that together. Salt and pepper to taste. Mix in the salt and pepper. You want to cut up 6 hard-boiled eggs. And we're going to use a cup of dill pickle relish. Once your potatoes are done, you mash them up, combine all your ingredients, and there you have the potato salad. You guys, this smells so good, and it was just $1 at Dollar General, 22 ounces. I also grabbed a thing of toothpaste and a box of popcorn. Both of those things were just $1. And don't forget, I also got some candy. Okay, we do have a few packages to open. This one, I go to Georgia a lot, and I also go to Nevada a lot. And so I have left a lot of clothes there so that I don't have to travel with them back and forth. But then I found myself here in Texas, and I was short on t-shirts. So I did pick up another package of the Amazon Essentials t-shirts. This time I picked it up in the color pink and I believe it was navy blue. There's a variety of colors that you could get of these t-shirts, but they're so affordable. They're only you get 2 t-shirts for around $15. And I did get these in a size XXL. And I do believe that they're mostly cotton, 56% cotton, 37% model, and 7% elastane. So, you know, mostly cotton. It's half cotton, at least a little bit more than half. But I really like these t-shirts, and I love that they have a V-neck. So I picked up another package of those so I would have some more t-shirts here. And I love the color of this one. But I was needing to open these so that I can get them in the wash because I'm in dire need of t-shirts here in Texas. And I do have a video coming up on Friday, my part 2 of my Temu haul, plus the dresses that I have still to try on for y'all. I'll go ahead and try these t-shirts on with that video because it's not very long. But I mean, I've tried these t-shirts on before. I've hauled them for y'all before. I love these t-shirts. And I mean, you get 2 for around $15. That is a steal. And the next item that I have, I did purchase this from Walmart. It's Brandon's girlfriend's daughter. And it's going to be her birthday coming up. And she loves all things Lilo and Stitch, specifically Stitch. So I found a watch for her. Y'all know how I am crazy about giving watches. So, of course, I mean, Stitch watch. I don't want to open it. I know there's a little bit of glare. I'm sorry, but it is a gift, and I don't want to open it. But I found this for her, and I'm excited to get this to her. And also, my little Dollar Tree haul. She loves all things slime, and I found this Galaxy Goo slime. I thought maybe it glows in the dark, but I don't think it does. But it's just different colors of slime up in there. She's gonna have a blast with this stuff. I mean, and she knows how to make slime herself. She knows everything she needs, exactly how much of everything she needs. So she doesn't need it pre-made. But I saw this and I thought of her and I thought, oh, she's gonna like that. And then while I was at it, I have to get a card for everybody. And I found this Stitch card. It's a Disney Expressions Hallmark card. Just $1.25. So if you're needing a card, Dollar Tree is a fantastic place to get some cards. Stitch, I mean, at Walmart, this would have been $2.50 probably. And it came with a yellow envelope. Do y'all remember that I had to... I put it on my picture. It was actually that pleather that I got to use over the little hole in on my truck's seat. I did apply that. You do have to use some heat on it, so you want to get an iron and iron over it. Lay something over it and then iron over it. It seems to have adhered really well. So time will tell if it actually stays that way. I'm hoping it does, but it seems to adhere to the seat really, really good. That's just a little update on my Temu pleather strip. And then also at Dollar Tree, I found, now there's 2 of these. I'm thinking that I'm going to save one of them, but they're Stitch bags that I'm going to use to put her gift in. I think I'm going to save one of them for Christmas and then use one of them for her birthday gift. I might need 2 of them for her birthday gift. We'll see, but there's 2 of them in here for $1.25. So that's a really good price. These are the reusable bags. I do like to get these instead of the paper bags. But these are really an excellent thing to get from Dollar Tree. Or you can also find reusable bags at Dollar General. And then I did find, and they had lots of other ones. I only just got one, but it is a Alice in Wonderland lip gloss. I'm going to go ahead and throw in her gift bag along with her other things. And then in the line of beauty products, I went back and I did get this Revive Naturally Moisturizing Factors. And I can't say that. Phytoceramides face and body spray. I did go ahead and go back and get it. Remember last time I said, oh, I wish I had went ahead and grabbed that. I did go back and get it. Let's see. I have to take my glasses off. I can't see. I'm not sure what it's supposed to do, but the word phytoceramides sounded really interesting to me. The first ingredient is water. It has glycerin, hydrogenated castor oil, some other words that I can't pronounce. I just thought it sounded really interesting and something that I was wanting to try. And then also along Beauty, I found this Dermasil Melon Jelly Cleanser, sulfate free, melon extract, glycerin, purify and soothe. Its ingredients is water and some more words I can't read, or I can't pronounce is what I should say. Glucoside, glycerin, sodium chloride, glycol, something, something, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Looks like it might have some castor oil in it, citric acid, niacinamide, melon seed extract. But you know, we all love the brand Dermasil, and it's usually dermatologist approved because the Dermasil brand, I do believe, is made from dermatologists. Oh, yes, developed from dermatologists. So I have not heard our favorite YouTuber say anything about this one. It does come sealed. Oh my goodness, I like that. I love it already. I am going to give this a try and see how it works along with that spray. I just want to see the gel-like consistency. That's what I'm looking at. I don't know if you can see it. It's just a gel-like consistency, and it's running down my finger. Okay. Let me go wash this off. Okay, I just went and washed it off of my hand, and there is no smell to it. That's all I've got in my little bit of opening here, my little haul package opening. I'll catch y'all back here in a little bit. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I wanted to share with y'all a couple of other little things that I've gotten. I did finish my dresser in the bathroom. I'm going to have a little bit of help because I did purchase some knobs off of Temu, and also the ones that I had purchased off of Amazon too. But I'm finding that the screws that come with the knobs, they're just entirely too long. So I'm going to have to get some help from Brandon on figuring out how to get the knobs onto the dressers. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, there is my completed dresser. I didn't paint like the sides of the dresser just because I didn't think it really needed it. I may still go ahead and go back and paint the sides of them. I kind of have them stuck out a little bit because these knobs, like this is the old knob that I had on the dresser, but I don't think I want to use this knob. I think this is the knob that I got off of Amazon. And I've gotten lots of these knobs off of Amazon. But I saw these ones on Temu, and I thought they were so pretty. So I think these are the ones that I'm going to go with. What do y'all think? These knobs? Or should I stick with the knobs that I already had? These are like a pumpkin, oops, like a pumpkin shaped knob. But I'm finding that these screws that come with the knobs, they're too long. And they don't, like, they're just too long to go through the little hole. Like, it goes all the way through, but then it's still sticking out some. So I bought some spacers, I guess is what they're called. Okay, I bought some of these. And I got a package. I got these off of Amazon. They were cheaper on Amazon than they were at Walmart. So I got a thing that had different sizes in them because I wasn't sure what size that I would need. But even with the spacer, the screws are too long. But I still need the spacer because it isn't curved. It's curved inside. But it's still, the screw's still too long even with the spacer. So I'm going to have to get some help with Brandon on that. But I do really like these knobs. But if I did go with these knobs, Oh, I don't know. What do y'all think? I painted that. I painted one for Brandon and I painted one for Rocky. How'd y'all like that? I had to throw a little bit of my art in there. I'm going to end the video today with a clip of Brandon. Brandon is fixing to graduate with a bachelor's degree specializing in cybersecurity. And so he did long distance school. They mailed his cap and gown in the little container that he puts his degree in. And that we received that last night. So I got a little clip of him unboxing his cap and gown and his degree holder. I guess that's what it's called. I got a clip of him unboxing that, and I just thought it was really special, and I wanted to share that with y'all. I hope everyone's having a wonderful week, and if you haven't hit the subscription button, I'd love for you to stick around and hang out with me. I do love to do fashion hauls and product reviews. Look forward to that video coming out pretty soon. It's my part 2 of my Temu haul, plus the dresses that I already received, and then I'll probably throw in some Amazon in down on that video. If you haven't already hit the subscription button, I'd love for you to hit the subscription button and come hang out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Open that box right there.
Let's see. This is the gown.
Oh, it's not in there yet? This is the part, though. I guess they mail it to you and then you put it in there. That was exciting. We was waiting for you to get home to open that package. Huh? Oh, I don't know. That probably comes from a jeweler, I would expect.